It's a farm. Who lives on the farm? Domestic animals. Let's find it out together. Touch and learn the animal. Horse. Cow. Now press the question button. It's a farm. Who lives on the farm? Domestic animal. Donkey. Pig. Sheep. Now press the question button. Pig. It's a forest. Who lives in the forest? Bear. Wolf. Lynx. It's an African savanna. The savanna. Crocodile. Monkey. It's an African savanna. The savanna is elephant. Giraffe. Zebra. It's an African savanna. The jackal. Meerkat. Hyena. Now press the question button. Hyena. It's a desert. What kind of animals? Camel. Cobra. Now press the question button. It's an Arctic. The Arctic is seal. Walrus. Now press the question button.